to my channel. We are in the festive season and I am so excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. I'm here to film the Christmas look featuring BPERFECT Stacey Marie palette, and there it is. It's a Carnival 3. I think I'm a little bit behind. I saw this palette and I thought, oh my goodness, I have to do a look with this palette because it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm going to open it for you guys to see the shades in this bad boy. Like I said, we're actually going to film a Christmas look for your company, do for your company parties, for your Christmas dinners, whatever it is that you want to use the look for, but we're going to go all out. If you guys are interested in watching, please stay tuned. So it has a massive mirror. I'm not going to point it out because you're going to see my background and I don't want that. So look at the shades in this bad boy. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all these bright colors and it's down my street. So this is what I like. And we're going to go on and do the eyeshadow. As always, I'm going to use this concealer here, and it's the Maybelline London anti-eraser multi concealer, and that's what we're going to be using to apply on my lid. I'm not sure why I use a normal primer for my eye, but I should buy an eye primer really, since I like primer so much. The NYX Pore filler primer, I'm actually going to apply that on my eyelid. I mean, I do have quite a bit of creases on my eye and I don't like it. I feel like this one helps to smoothen it out a little bit more, so that's why I like doing it that way. Oh, I think I put a lot, yeah, and then try and blend it in. Okay, I think that's much better. So. Right guys, today we have got a couple of new stuff. So I purchased this, says RCMA makeup, and it's the original no color powder. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to try it today alongside my normal one that I normally use, the Sacha Buttercup. I'm setting the concealer on my eyelid because I like my eye to be dry before I apply my eyeshadow on there. I feel like I always say, I feel like it goes on much better than when it's wet or when it's creamy. We are going to be using just one palette today, so it's a Carnival 3. It has the 31 vibrant matte shades. It has 4 pressed pigments, and it has 3 metallics, and it has 2 high pigment shimmers. So this is absolutely fantastic. You can actually do so much with this palette. I'm going to do a cut crease, but we're going to do actually a simple cut crease. I'm going to use this black here, which is the Black Beach. I usually can't. For the crease, we're going to be using this green here, which is the forest green here. And we're going to put it right in the crease and work our way up. There it is. Like, it's not dark enough. I want it darker than it is. I want it much darker. But the green is not really vibrant enough. I want it quite vibrant, but it's not vibrant enough, so I'm spraying it to see if I can get it to pop a lot more. We're going for the same forest, and we're going to apply it at the top. We're going to blend in the top with Topics. Just blend it in, so we're going to blend the shade up. There it is. So now I'm actually going to make the crease a little bit more sharper. I'm going to put red. There's a dark red here, which is Blaze. So we're going to put Blaze inside the eyeliner that I've just drawn. The pigment is unreal, but the fallout is kind of a lot. Yeah, it's got a lot of fallout. So in the middle, I'm going to put Cocoa. There it is. Am I pointing it right? Yeah, Cocoa. Okay. Then I'm actually going to use the same brush that I used for the green to apply the Cocoa on the lids. There it is. I'm not putting a lot because I'm going to put glitter on top as well. So it's actually going to be a fun Christmas look. We're not taking it very seriously, we're just going for a fun Christmas look. Weird colors, but that's what we are doing. I don't want this to look too perfect because I'm actually going to put glitter on top. So this one is just a base for the shimmer to go on top, the shimmer eyeshadow. And we're going to go on top of the lid with Blue Moon Metallic. Now we're going to put the lashes on. e.l.f. Most Wanted, that's what we are using today. Now we're going to do the foundation. I'm going to apply the concealer. And now I'm going to blend it in. Thank you guys for watching and Merry Christmas.